Jenkins-o, corduroy Ginny Jenkins-o. Oh, never will I wear my blue gown the day-o. I would wear your blue Ginny Jenkins-o. I'll wear my blue leather just to please you. And I'll buy ye a roly-poly, sugar-elly, hokey-pokey, corduroy Ginny Jenkins-o, corduroy Ginny Jenkins-o. So that was Ginny Jenkins. I used that song to introduce the story of the clearances and also to discuss the patriotic colour blue. I would teach it with the children in a circle, and I would invite the children who are wearing the particular colour in the verse to come and do a wee catwalk into the centre of the circle and then go back to their place.